everyone, this is Sweeney, the Try It Chick, and happy 2021. To kick off this new year, I have this burgundy makeup look for the winter. So first, let's put on our headband. Then we will start off with a face primer. Next, we're gonna put on our favorite foundation. So currently, my favorite is this Rare Beauty foundation because it is so lightweight and also it looks so natural. For the concealer, we're also going to use Rare Beauty because what can I say, guys? They're just simply the best. And yeah, I got both the concealer and the foundation. And in case you're wondering, I am not sponsored by Rare Beauty by any means. I bought these with my own money. It just happens that they work. For our eyebrows, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills because I also love this product. It is so easy to apply and also it lasts all day. For our eyeshadow primer, I'll be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion because I've just been using this for years and it never failed me. My eyeshadows never creased and they make my eyeshadows last for a very long time. Now on to the fun part, the eyeshadow palette. I'll be using the Huda Beauty Nude Rich, which is actually my first ever eyeshadow palette. That's just all mauves, reds, and burgundy, so I'm very excited. For our base shadow, we'll be using the lightest shade in this whole eyeshadow palette, which is the beige color. And just put that all over your lids. Next eyeshadow will be this very light red color, and we'll put that right above our crease on the upper outer corner. And use a blending brush to soften the edges. Next, we'll be putting on this shimmery mauve color on the center of our lids to add some sparkle to our eyes. And here's a closer look. And now, to add further dimension to our eyes, we're going to use this rusty red color, almost like a brown-like color on the outermost corner of our eyes. And as what you can see, it really does make a difference. Then, use another blending brush to soften the edges. Lastly, we'll use this shimmery sand color to highlight our brow bones. Here's a closer look, and as what you can see, this side doesn't have it and this side has the shimmer. It really does make a lot of difference. Next, we're gonna put on eyeliner, and over here I'm using the Stila liquid eyeliner pen, which is my absolute favorite liquid eyeliner because it just gives you those sharp edges. And over here we're gonna be doing a cat eye. Also, I just want to point out to you guys that cat eyes are really great for those who have small eyes, such as myself, because it gives you an illusion of bigger eyes. That is why you will see me rocking cat eyes in majority of my videos. Next, we're gonna put on our lashes. Over here, I'm using Glamnetic, which are magnetic lashes that are super easy to put on. But first, we're gonna apply our magnetic liquid eyeliner. These will hold the eyelashes in place. Before the eyeliner completely dries out, make sure you apply your lashes. And over here, I noticed that the right side is a little droopier than the other one, so I'm gonna curl it so they're both even. Next, we're gonna contour our face using this Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise bronzer palette. And I'll be using the second shade from the palette. In this part of the video, I was totally tripping. I thought I created those dark spots on my nose, only to find out they're actually shadows from my lashes. Okay, moving on to our cheeks. So make sure you put the bronzer just below your cheeks. For our blush, I'll be using Nars Pressed Powder Blush in Orgasm. And just put that on the temples of your cheeks, right above where you contoured your face. Next, we're gonna put on our matte lip liner. Over here, I'm using Kylie's Lip Kit in Autumn, which is my absolute favorite shade, not just for autumn, but all year long. I also think this goes very well with the Burgundy eyeshadow. And yes, I do apply the lip liner all over my lips to create a base for the matte liquid lipstick. Last but not least, we're going to apply the matte liquid lipstick in the same shade. And our look is finally complete. Also, feel free to accessorize with your favorite winter accessories. Over here, I just have a plain white beanie. Lastly, don't forget to wear a mask. It seems like this accessory is not going away anytime soon, so we might as well coordinate this with our outfits. Over here, I'm wearing a mask from daystardream.com, owned by one of my dearest friends. They have a very unique woven design, handcrafted by female artisans in the Philippines. They aim to empower and support the women in the Philippines to provide much needed income and livelihood to them. If you purchase right now, you can get 15% off any mask. Just put in my code TRYITCHICK15, and in doing so, you can help the women in the Philippines. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!